In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off your camera in a Zoom meeting on a laptop. This is a simple but very useful feature, especially if you need more privacy, want to reduce distractions, or are dealing with a slow internet connection. I'll walk you through the process in a clear and easy way so you can manage your video settings confidently during any meeting. To begin, open the Zoom application on your laptop. Once it's launched, either start a new meeting or join an existing one, depending on what you need. After you enter the meeting, you'll see a control bar at the bottom of the Zoom window. This is where you can manage your audio, video, and other meeting tools. Look for the camera icon labeled Stop Video. If your camera is currently on, clicking this button will immediately turn it off. Once disabled, your video feed will no longer be visible to other participants, and your profile name or icon will appear instead. If your camera is already off when you join the meeting, you'll see the option labeled Start Video. In this case, there's nothing more you need to do, since your camera is already disabled. You can also turn off your camera before joining a meeting. After opening Zoom, but before entering the meeting room, look for the preview window. Here, you'll find an option that allows you to join the meeting with your video turned off. Simply uncheck or disable that option before proceeding, and your camera will remain off when you enter. Another helpful tip is to use the small arrow next to the video button during a meeting. This opens additional video settings, where you can choose your camera source or access more advanced options. While this isn't required to turn off your camera, it can be useful if you want more control over your video setup. If you notice that you're unable to turn your camera on or off, it could be due to meeting restrictions set by the host. In some cases, the host may control participant video settings. If that happens, you may need to request permission. Turning off your camera is quick and can be done at any time during the meeting. Whether you're stepping away briefly or simply prefer not to be on video, this feature gives you full control over your visibility. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.